Today, I'll walk you through how to make a master task database from scratch using Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a comprehensive task management system so you can stay organized and boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Notion page. This is your blank canvas where all the magic will happen. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion updates frequently and the core functionalities remain the same. Once you're on your Notion page, click on Add a Page. This option is usually found in the sidebar. Think of this as opening a new document where you can build your task database from the ground up. Next, rename the new page. I'll put Master Task for mine. This is important because a clear title helps you quickly identify your task database later on. Now click on the body of the page and type Table. From the drop-down menu, choose Table View. This action sets up a structured layout for your tasks, similar to a spreadsheet where you can easily manage and visualize your work. Once your table is created, it's time to modify it. Add columns and rows that will fit your needs. Think of this like customizing a recipe to suit your taste. You can add as many columns as you need to capture all the details of your tasks. For my database, I'll label the columns as follows: task for the task name, status for tracking progress, due date for deadlines, and priority level for task importance. These labels will help you stay organized and focused on what matters most. You can fully modify each column by clicking the name and exploring the options that will show. This is where you can adjust the type of data each column will hold, such as text, dates, or select options. To make your database even more functional, let's modify the priority column. Click on the column title and select Edit Property. Here, you can add options for the drop-down menu, allowing you to categorize tasks by priority levels like high, medium, or low. This feature is crucial for effective task management. And there you have it. You've successfully created a master task database in Notion. This setup will not only help you keep track of your tasks, but also enhance your overall productivity. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.